welcome back to my channel. My name is Angela if it's your first time here. Today's video is a review video. I will be reviewing products from the company called Your. They specialize in facial products. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. So I filmed a video actually once I got this product, and this was 3 weeks ago, and this was when I was still pregnant, and I decided to hold off on posting that video because I wanted to actually try out the products and give myself at least 3 weeks to come back and give you guys an actual honest review. I'm going to go ahead and drop the video here so you guys can hear more about the brand, you know, and what their products are all about. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing personalized skincare products from this brand called Your. So the products come in this box, and it is pretty sturdy, which I like. It's one of those that, you know, you don't have to worry about trashing after you take out the products. You can keep it for travel sake, you know, or if you want to store your products in the box, you can always keep it. It comes with this sheet that tells you how to use the product. So they're both day and night. So it has like the morning routine, and then it has the night routine, as you can see. If I go into the products, I'm going to tell you a little bit about the products. Their products are paraben and toxin free. They are also cruelty free, which is amazing. You know, from my skincare videos, I am very particular about what products I use on my face, just because it's very sensitive. The products that you get in the box are for a 3-month supply, and they retail for $180. However, if you're on a strict budget like some of us are, they have an option for payment plan where you can pay $65 every month for 3 months. So you have options if you want to, you know, purchase the product. It's just 4 products. It's not 10 products that are going to overwhelm you. These are very straight to the point, very straightforward. You don't have to worry about carrying multiple products in your bag, in your makeup bag. So that's one cool thing that I like about these, just for products, and you can pretty much get the routine within the first try. So the first product we are going to try is a cleanser, and all the ingredients are in the back and the directions in the back. This is a day and night cleanser, so you don't have to worry about having a day cleanser and then a night cleanser. This is a dual cleanser. Please wet my face. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply. Let me just show you how it looks like. That's how it looks. So you go to their website, and they use artificial intelligence to help you determine what kind of products will be beneficial for your skin. So you just have to answer some questions, and these questions help them determine what kind of skin type you have, you know, what kind of environment you're in, what kind of stressors are you surrounded by. This helps them identify what kind of products to customize for your specific skin type, and then they ship out the products to you. And each time I apply a face cleanser on my face, I like to come all the way down to my neck, just because I do break out around my neck area. I know my skin is really odd. One thing I like about the cleanser, I'll mention this, is that every time I apply it on my face, it doesn't leave like an oily residue. It almost dries out, and at the same time it keeps my face moist. So it's really, really interesting that it does that. I'm going to go ahead and wash this off. I am going to go ahead and apply the serum. This is the second step is the serum. Now you guys are curious, probably wondering why we're skipping the second step. So this is the second step, the day cream, but since it's nighttime, I'm going to skip this. But if it was during the day, I'd cleanse my face, apply the day cream, and then apply your favorite sunscreen. So that's what you do for the day. Since it's nighttime, we're gonna go ahead and apply the serum, and it comes with a droplet thing at the top. It says to use 3 to 4 drops. So we're just gonna go ahead and do that. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It's really thick. It has that thick consistency. You guys see? Really, really thick. Anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead. I also like that these products are not scented. And honestly, that's the first thing that really drives me away from products. If a product is scented and has like a sweet tone to it, like something very floral, very fragrant, I am not using that product because I know my skin so well. That is an indicator that my face is going to break out. So I'm just glad that these products don't have any fragrance in them. This feels good. Now we're gonna go ahead and apply the night cream. It is the 4th step in the skincare routine, and ingredients are all in the back so you guys can read those. I really like how this night cream is packaged, so it has a pump. You guys can see. And I'm just gonna use this much. So we already know this product's on the pricey side, so we're not trying to use too much product. So this is gonna be enough for the face. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply. I like that these products give you minimalism and simplicity when you're taking care of your skin. So wearing very minimal makeup so you guys can really see that I'm getting a lot of improvement from all the products I've been using in the past few months on my face. Honestly, I'm just so happy because my skin has been notorious for years. I took a before and after picture so you guys can see how my face looked like before I started using these products and 3 weeks after I have been using them. And there's not such a huge difference in my complexion, but I do feel the difference. I don't know, I just feel like my skin is more smoother. It's not breaking out, it looks more even. Slowly see that the discoloration that I had from blackheads is starting to kind of fade out, which is amazing. So that is a great thing to be thankful for. You learn so much about your skin when you go through the questionnaire that I was talking about. So definitely check them out and take advantage of all the little perks that they have, like the discount codes and stuff. Definitely take advantage of that because, you know, it doesn't really hurt to try it. And let me know down below what you guys think. I would love to hear your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching. This concludes the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know down below your thoughts by leaving a comment, liking the video, and also subscribing to the channel. And I will see you in my next one. Bye.